Well, we're on another adventure, and it was going to be a good adventure till unfortunately we're broke down. But we just bought this really cool 1991 Clarion motorhome that we were going to use for towing the hovercraft. And well, we got not even halfway home with it and it broke down. So now it's raining and we're broke down and we've called a tow truck. So tow truck's on the way. I'm closing it up until the truck gets here. But yeah, it's a pretty motorhome. I don't know what happened to it. It's something in the front end. It's a front wheel drive, so it's either universal joints or it could just be the brakes could be locking up. But yeah, it's not accelerating. You can hear a clanking noise, so I don't know what's going on, but I know it's not going to make the other hour and a half drive back to Lake Placid. So anyway, this is our new motorhome. Like I say, we got it mainly because it's got the trailer hitch on it, and we were gonna take and use it for towing the hovercraft. But until we get it fixed, it's not gonna be towing anything. But before it acted up, man, it drives really nice. Yeah, I like it. I'm hoping I can fix it up. Hopefully it won't be anything too major, but it's called a Clarion. They only made 275 of them. And it's got the Ford 351 in Winsor engine in it. And it's a pretty thing, but pretty don't get you home. But I'm sure once I can get it home, work on it, it'll be nice. But yeah, it's not a good sign when you break down on the way home. So anyway, that's where we're at. This is Merlin, and I'm out. Okay, y'all, Merlin here. Last you saw of this RV, we broke down on the side of the highway, bringing it home. Anyway, this is a Clarion motorhome. They were built by Coachman. Only 270 of them were ever built. This one apparently was owned by Budweiser. That's why it has the eagle striping, and on the very back it has USA with the A being the Anhousher Bush symbol A. So it's called a Clarion, as you can see, and pretty unique. It's all fiberglass, fiberglass on balsa composite sandwich. It's got a generator inside there, 2800 watt generator. It's got all kinds of storage. What's unique is the hood flips open, and the whole hood flips open like a semi-truck. And this thing is actually front wheel drive. I haven't looked at the condition of all the drive line yet. What happened on the way home, we had an issue. I'm hoping it's not the CV joints, because I've heard the CV joints are not easy to find. But anyway, I hit the brakes real hard, and then right after that, I mean, it was driving beautifully, and I had to hit the brakes real hard at a stoplight because some traffic stopped in front of me. And what happened there was, I'm thinking it's probably got old brake lines. I think maybe the brakes might have stuck, so I'm gonna have to pull the wheels off and check the brakes. It's got new tires, and last night we had a serious rainstorm, and I'm happy to say that it did not leak. Alrighty, show everybody what the inside of this thing looks like. There's the dash. It's got 65,000 miles on it. It's got a stereo in it that I don't even think works. At least I didn't get it working. Overhead control panel for your generator, your water tanks, and all that kind of stuff. And little center console. Originally it had two other seats that bolted down right there. The former owner took those out because she used to actually put a bird cage right there and carried her parrots with her, her cockatiels with her, and her dog used to sleep on that side. And I've got the bed thing folded down now, but it's got a double sink. It's got a 2-burner cooktop. It's got a little refrigerator. It's got a microwave. It's got storage up here in the top. It's real nice storage. It's got, I like this. I love this pull-out shelf here. So you can probably put like canned goods and stuff like that in there. It's got several drawers, as you can tell. It's got a closet area in here. Nice closet space, you can tell. Nice closet space with some storage under there. And it's got a shower. So you got your shower, your toilet, your sink, medicine cabinet. Got a full-size mirror, towel holders, little hooks up there. It's got lighting in the bathroom, toilet paper holder. So it's a full wet shower. So you can see there's the drain down there. So it's got a shower. It's got an overhead vent up in there. The bed here folds up into 2 bench seats, and then inside that area there, this opens up and you got a fold out table in there, and you got some drink holders. You got windows that pop out. You got screens that come down, and the screens retract upward. This one here doesn't have the shades on it. As you can see on this side here, it has shades that pull down along with the screens. You got nice overhead cabinets in here. As you can see, it's kind of dark. But anyway, another vent fan up there. The air conditioner that does blow cold, I just tested it. Had the temperature today is 105 degree feel like temperature here in Florida. The actual temperature in here I used with a non-contact temperature sensor was showing 102 degrees earlier, and I had the air conditioner on for a little bit over an hour and a half, and it cooled it down to 83 degrees. So I'm thinking going from 102 degrees to 83, that's pretty fantastic in my book. I'll take that any day. So anyway, it's got a little TV. Don't know why it's got this Velcro on it, but yeah, it's got a little TV here that somebody got Velcro stuck to it for some reason. Don't know why, but anyway, it's got little lights everywhere, built-in speakers for the stereo. It's even got a sunroof. I'm not going to try to pop it open because it would leak, so they've got it sealed. So I shall leave it sealed. But yeah, it's kind of cool. It's got a sunroof in it. So anyway, I'm going to get out of this thing because I've turned the AC off and it's getting kind of warm again. But it's got a awning that cranks out, and as it cranks out, a metal frame opens up and stabilizes it. But it hangs down real low, so I would probably put some kind of bracing on it to hold it up. But we'll do a nice little walk around. There you can see the side of it. It's got nice chrome, aluminum wheels. And got a little bit of silicone on the window that dripped down when, I guess, when they were siliconing around the top up there. I'll take a razor scraper and clean that off sometime. It's got little bars right here, so you can actually tell where the front of your bumper is, which made that nice when I drove it the other day for the first time, because I was pulling into a gas station and there was a pickup truck coming out. And when you're sitting in this thing, you can't see the hood. You really can't see the hood at all. So by having these little things here, I was able to tell exactly where the front of the truck was, and I knew how much clearance I had getting close to the pickup truck. The generator's in that little box there, and that one back there is where your shore power hookup cables are, your propane tanks up underneath there, and down underneath there is your drain tanks, you know, for your freshwater and gray water tanks and stuff, black water tanks. So anyway, that's the Clarion. I'm gonna go ahead and close everything up and call it a day out here. I've been out here pretty much all day, and it's hot. Like I say, it was 105 earlier. It might even still be 105 now. So anyway, that's it. Nice walk around of it, and I'm gonna go ahead and go back inside. But this is Merlin, and this is going to be another one of our adventures. Stay tuned.